Hello everyone, this is Pragya Shaha and today we are back with another book review, and today we are going to review another interesting book, an uncommon book, but this is like an amalgamation or an interjection of the subjects of stratigraphy and economic geology. So today I am talking about a heavy duty but very important and interesting book. This is Crustal Metallogeny and Crustal Evolution and Metallogeny in India. So, if you have read the book of Vaidyanathan and Ramakrishnan, if you have read the book of Vaidyanathan and Ramakrishnan, you would know that the crustal evolution is mentioned there. But Sanjib, Chandra Sarkar and Upendu Gupta, these two persons, great people, have combined the crustal evolution and metallogeny and formed this written this in a book, formed all the knowledge in the form of a book. So this is one of the books that you will read for your PhD in economic geology. And let's go through the contents. Now this is a library book. Southern India, Geology and Crustal Evolution, Introduction, Peninsular Gneiss and Granitoids of Western Dharwar Schist Belts, Peninsular Gneiss and Granitoids of Eastern Dharwar Schist Belts, Kimberlites and Lamproids, Western and Eastern Dharwar blocks, similarity, contrast and relationship, Southern Granulite Province, SGP, Proterozoic Eocambrian cover sequences, Metallogeny, Introduction, mineralization in Sarkar type schist belt, ore mineralization in the Dharwar schist belt, ore mineralization in Southern Granulitic Province, mineralization in and around Kadapa Basin, mineralization in the Bhima Basin, manganese mineralization in the PG Valley, diamonds, bauxite deposits, Central India geology and crustal evolution, Introduction, Southern Bastar Crustal Province SCP, Northern Bundelkhand Crustal Province NCP, Tectonic models for Central Indian Precambrian crust, Proterozoic cover sediments in Central India, Deccan traps and their relation to continental flood basalts, metallogeny, introduction, tin meter mineralization in Bastar, rare metals RM and rare earth elements REE mineralizations, iron ores of Dalli Rajhara Roghat Bailadila belt, gold in Kothri belt, gold in Sonakhan greenstone belt, gold in Raigor belt, copper molybdenum or gold mineralization at Malanjkhand and neighboring areas, uranium mineralization in central India, polymetallic mineralization in Sakoli fold belt, gold mineralization in Mahakoshal belt, zinc, copper, lead, sulfide mineralization in Betul belt, phosphorite, manganese mineralization in the Saucer group of rocks, phosphorite deposits in Madhya Pradesh, diamonds in central India, bauxite deposits in central India, Eastern Ghat belt, geology and crustal evolution. Okay, then the metallogeny, Eastern India, crust geology and crustal evolution, and the metallogeny. Northeast India, geology and the crustal evolution, and then the metallogeny. Similarly, Western India, geology and crustal evolution, and then the metallogeny. Himalaya, geology and crustal evolution, and the metallogeny. And the crustal evolution and metallogeny in India, a brief review in the context of the world scenarios. If you want to read it in a smart way, read the last chapter first. Here it's very important because the last chapter here is the encapsulation of the entire book. So it talks about entire crustal evolution and metallogeny in India. So if you do not, for exam purposes, if you do not want to go through this heavy duty book, please just go through the 8th chapter. In the 8th chapter, everything is written. That 8th chapter, just go through that. You will be like having an idea about what are the contents of the previous chapters. So that is it. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more. I will be coming up with more books like this. Until then, tada.